everyone, I'm popping in. I'm popping in just to give you a quick message. I've received so many messages and comments about my last video, the master bedroom reveal. I'm glad you all like it and you think it's outstanding, but I got about like 400 comments. I can't respond to them all. It's just too much. I'm overwhelmed. I can't respond to them all. So what I'm doing instead is that I'm doing this little video, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all of you who've taken this journey with me and stuck around till the end to see the whole thing. Thank you for those of you who've been long-time subscribers and really believe in me and my ability to make changes and improve my life and the life of those I love. Thank you for all the new subscribers who discovered me and either are in awe or very curious, or some of them I'm sure kind of like, what is going on? Train wreck material. But thank you all of you for your comments, your feedback, and really supporting me and my family and this channel. So this morning I posted a reel on Instagram that's basically a slideshow, a little bit with different music, but the same slideshow that I put at the end of the video, and I gave you guys a whole message. And in it, I talked about how I had put this project on the back burner for an entire decade. I'm kid you not, it's been, you know, we're going on 12 years in this house. It's a decade that I've been putting this on the back burner, not addressing it, and I finally went for it. And you know, there's a lot of DIY projects on YouTube and on the internet in general, and of course the majority of them are much better than my DIY project, but that's okay, because I do those videos not to show you a particular skill set. I do those videos to encourage you to make the jump and actually do something and improve your life and improve your environment. It may not be perfect, nobody cares. And I really mean that. It's not about what other people are going to see and think. It's about how you feel about yourself and your accomplishments. So you have to be able to let go of this fear of failure and this fear of judgment and the opinion of others. Just do it. If you have a plan, or if you have an idea or a dream, just go and chase it. Get up, do something. It's gonna take a little bit of courage at the beginning, but trust me, you'll get used to it, and then more ideas will pop up and you'll have more confidence in yourself to be able to tackle a project like this. And I said that in that particular video at the beginning when I was doing the finishing touches. It's one of those things that you can start with a small project and do bigger ones as you go until you really build your confidence to be able to tackle such an undertaking like a whole bedroom makeover. So I'm really doing these videos to motivate you, to encourage you, to inspire you. I want you to be able to do those things. It's not about me showcasing what I'm doing. It's about me encouraging you and making you believe that you too can do those things. You can do those things. You can do the hard things. You can do the easy things. You can do the foreign things. You can do the things that you've been afraid of your entire life. You can do that. You have it in you. You just got to tap into it, wake it up, and go for it. So don't stop and look at my videos and say, because some of you, I heard it and I read it, are saying already, oh, I'm not that talented. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are that talented. You can do exactly the same thing. Please let go of the self-doubt. Let go of the fear that you're going to fail and just go for it. What's the worst that's going to happen? The color doesn't work. Paint it back the old color. Something didn't turn out the way you wanted it. Keep it for a little bit and then change it up later on. You're not breaking anything. You're building up. You're building up. You'll never look back. If you continue to say to yourself, whatever I do is not good enough, you're going to keep stopping yourself from your potential. You can do this. So I want to thank everybody for encouraging me all these years, 10 years of DIY projects, some of them kind of like me, some of them pretty good. I mean, the French drain, let's face it, it's working. This is great. I have a yard now. I have a real yard. And I can't wait for spring. It's freezing right now. The bedroom was amazing. And let me tell you, I feel so confident that I can tackle harder things next time. And that's what it's all about. So I'm here to inspire you, and I'm here to thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for loving me and my family and being a faithful subscriber for the past decade. I love you all. Bye.